like walking. I like walking because it is easy and fun. Walking helps me stay healthy and feel strong. When I walk, I can enjoy the fresh air and see beautiful trees, flowers, and birds. I also like walking with my friends or family. We talk and laugh together while we walk. It is a good way to spend time with people I love. Sometimes I walk alone. It helps me think and feel calm. Walking is also free, and I can do it anytime. I like to walk in the park, near my house, or by the river. It makes me feel happy and relaxed. Walking is a simple activity, but it is very special to me. Do you enjoy walking too?